The Chime Credit Builder is a program designed to help users build or improve their credit scores. Here's how it works. Secured Credit Builder Card. Chime offers a secured credit card as part of the Credit Builder program. Users are required to make a refundable security deposit, which serves as the credit limit. Responsible credit use. Users are encouraged to use their Chime Credit Builder card responsibly by making small purchases and paying off the balance in full and on time each month. This demonstrates responsible credit behavior to credit bureaus. Credit reporting. Chime reports users' credit card activity to major credit bureaus, helping establish a positive credit history. Credit monitoring. Chime provides users with access to their credit score and credit report through the Chime mobile app. Users can track their progress and monitor changes to their credit profile over time. Automatic payments. Chime offers an option for users to set up automatic payments to ensure bills are paid on time, which can positively impact credit scores. Graduation. With responsible use and timely payments, users may eventually qualify for an unsecured credit card and have their security deposit refunded.